like to share a few things. I mean, we all are developers. I mean, most of us are. But I mean, sometimes what happens, we are given to some kind of problem, and we are like quite stressed. I mean, how will I even do it? And after sometimes, I mean, our patience just breaks, and we are like, okay, I cannot do this. I need help. So see, there is always time that, I mean, with time you'll grow, right? And there might be at some point of time where you'll literally find no one to help you. So how do you keep yourself motivated at that point, right? So I mean, I'll just tell two things. See, if you think that you're not able to solve this problem, that means this problem is of, I mean, high value, right? And I mean, just let's crack it, because nobody is able to do it. Let me do it. I mean, and once you try building this thing, right? Like you try to solve problems on your own rather than being dependent on anyone. You solve one, you solve two, and that joy, you'll not get it anywhere after you solve that. So this is, I mean, I have seen this, and you'll never forget that moment in your life. Like, okay, I followed this process and I was able to solve it. I mean, you will just remember those key moments of your life, and that's so good. I mean, I just can't tell. So, I mean, these are few things you can follow. I mean, stay motivated. I mean, if you think I'm not able to do it, there's always a way to do it. You're just not thinking in that way. So before jumping into something, think, keep on thinking. I mean, just think whatever you want to think. Just take break, think. But don't think that, I mean, this is not doable. This is always doable. There's always a way. That's what I tell. Like, nothing is not doable. You can do everything, but stay focused. I mean, stay motivated, because once you do this, once you're done with that, that joy will not, that satisfaction, you'll not get it anywhere. Yeah.
And Nishant, this is how he has codified his